there, I'm Heather, and that's Britt.
I forgot what we were doing. My clothes off, it's totally fine.
I was dancing while you were doing it.
Worth.
That's what I was afraid of! Sweet. You've got your deep tub soaker here in Cameron's Crossing in what's the call? All right, so test audio. Let's just see if this is muffling. Okay, moving around. Show your only TV internet. Let's try that one more. This is the lowest 4-bed beach. How? Oh my God, I just realized we got to do the intros and outros too.
Hey there, I forgot what I'm doing.
I'm Britt.
I'm Britt.
Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only TV internet show.
The back, excuse me. Sorry, I can't talk.
What?
Forgot what I was doing.